I just got back from the key-carded elevators at the Hilton Americas, and these are one of the banks here at the Georgia Brown Convention Center in downtown Houston, Texas. I believe this is the hydraulic one. I'm not sure though. They got like a Papados in here. Yeah, this is the hydraulic one. This one's gonna be epic. It's got a dry-powered motor. One. Uno. It's got the matrix display indicator. Oh, we could definitely hear them hard hydraulics hidden. Now let's hear this kick butt motor. Drive powered, here we go. I'm gonna click the button before I start. Or close button, disappointingly, does not work. Alright, let's listen to this thing. Here we go. These things are fast for hydraulics too because there's like a lot of spacing between floors. This thing is amazing. Houston. My cringy mispronunciation. The Fujitech traction elevators are like the only ones here that have like the high ceilings. I believe they still got a Montgomery A-Series freight elevator here, but I don't want to bother with that simply because confrontations and about people my age operating freight elevators. I'll give this thing another ride. This is amazing. This is a MEI elevator. I go back down to 1 and end it there. It kind of sounds creepy going down. It's just all this hydraulic fluid just rushing back into the tank at a fast speed. Ooh, I just saw this thing classic level. That was cool. Alright, anyways, that'll be the end of this video, and that's it.